everyone, welcome back to the Planet Pearl YouTube channel. This week is the Advent week of joy. However, it has been a bit wobbly for me. Today was a work day and I was quite tired by the end of it. So not a lot has happened yet, and that's okay. I've started knitting the Seroto socks by Ali from the Fiberbound podcast. She is running a sock knit along. I decided that I will try the magic loop method for it. It was a little bit tricky at first, but now I've kind of found my rhythm and it's really a very satisfying knit. I've been catching up on a program called The Indian Doctor on Prime while I knit, and it's been really lovely to, sit and watch and knit quietly. But too bad, there's only one season and now I'm not sure what to watch next. So I will show you my Seroto sock from what I have knit so far. So I'm using a Chagu 3mm circular needles, 32 inches cable length, and it has worked up quite well. See, and I have just started the pattern on this one. I am really enjoying it so far, and I really like the yarn as well. This was from the Maker's Haven. Way back, I don't know when it was, a long time back actually, and it's a really pretty yarn. Really enjoying this. I have cast on the other sock as well, so I have two on my needles. I've been really enjoying working on that, and I have it in my Rifle Paper Company fabric bag that Cotton Candy Designs made for me. It's made in the pattern of the designed bags. I think it must be number 9 or so. I really like how well made it is. I've already said this before, but I can't stop admiring how pretty it looks. In other news, we took the dogs to see the lights. I thought they might enjoy it, but they prefer to sleep in the car instead. I guess they noticed them in their own way. I'm not sure. Amber used to really like the lights, but now she's not much bothered. I don't know if it is because she's so tired of Casper. When we were just getting out the leash and everything, Casper was so excited. He just jumped over to the dining table where we had all the gifts and the candles and everything. He got a fright. We got a fright. It was chaos, and then somehow we all managed to go. Anyway, it was a nice little outing with the dogs. Yeah, that was pretty much it. I'm looking forward to a couple of things this week, and I think it might be a bit of a reset for me, and I'll share them as they happen. For now, I'm just enjoying the quiet moments as I find them. Today for dinner, my son made the recipe I sent him after seeing it being made on Instagram. It's from a blog that has the whole recipe on it. I'll link it in the description box below, and it came out really well. Yeah, that's a win for us. Thanks for being here with me today. I'm so glad we can share together our making this Advent season, and today is day 16. 16 minutes yarn. Oh, this is a beautiful teal. It's really pretty with teal and pink and fuchsia. It's fuchsia, teal and fuchsia and speckles, and it's really pretty. I love it. See you later. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Planet Pearl YouTube channel. I'm just doing a little catch up for today. Today is the 17th of December, and it rained most of the day, and honestly, I would have loved to stay at home. But I started the morning quietly with a bit of knitting in bed and my tea before getting up, which felt like a nice way to start the day. And the rain made everything feel even more cozy. Casper was lying down beside me, and it felt very nice and calm, and it was really good start to the day. But work was crazy busy as usual because it's the time of the year, and also because it always seems to be the case when the weather turns bad and the temperature dips. It gets really busy, and by the time I got home, I was really tired. In something really exciting happened today, which is like my yarn winder and Swift arrived, which is very exciting for me. But I'm going to rest up a little bit before I set it up. Maybe I will do that tomorrow. So yeah, I'm really glad the day is done. I'm going to put my leg up. I'm going to take a nice hot shower, put my leg up and rest, maybe knit a little bit and catch up on all the Vlogmases. My son is making dinner for us, which I'm very grateful for. And before I go, I will open today's Advent yarn from Mama Wooling, the mini marbled yarn Advent. So this is another beautiful color, peacock blue, like we say in India. It's really pretty. Nice, soft and very pretty. So yeah, that is all I have for you today. I will catch you up all tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye. I'm going to a party, and so I'm dressed like a disco ball. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Planet Pearl YouTube channel. So today is the 20th of December and I have not done much from the 17th, I think, because things have not been really great for me. In my head, I had this idea that I'd make an ornament every single day for Christmas. Big plans, and I know it is very ambitious. What I didn't really factor in was my energy, or how much time things actually take when you're working, and also living with a very full-on puppy and family and everything. So it's very much a work in progress, and I'm learning to be okay with it. The past couple of days, like I said, have been kind of didn't really go quite according to plan, and on 18th I was really looking forward to my haircut. Then I got stuck in traffic, and by the time I arrived there it was too late, so that's been postponed. It was a bit of a letdown, I won't lie, but it will happen soon, just not yet. So yesterday was the 19th. I had work, and then straight after that I had a blood test. So it's been one of those very kind of practical but still slightly draining days. Nothing really dramatic, but just the kind of days that quietly take the energy out of you. So while I was waiting in the waiting room, I noticed a woman knitting. I really wanted to ask her what she was making, but I didn't know how to quite approach her. So I just sat there quietly and watched her knit. And I think it was a garter scarf that she was making, but I'm not sure. Maybe she was making the Sophie scarf or something. I don't know. It was a very colorful, beautiful yarn, and she was concentrating. But then, like I said, I just sat there, and I left when it was my turn to go. And afterwards I realized I kind of regretting not talking with her, just chatting, and it made me wonder, what do we all do in these moments when you want to connect but you don't know how to begin? Is it a good place or time? So I'm curious, what do you do in these situations like this? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And on top of all of that, I'm feeling a little under the weather, a slight sore throat and a little bit of a runny nose and a slight cough that comes and goes. So I've really been taking that as a sign to slow down and be gentle with myself. I have just wanted to just lie down. I haven't even caught up with many of the Vlogmases that I watch, but I think it's that time of the year also that doesn't leave much room for getting sick. It's a really busy time, and to make it all slightly worse, the rest of the family officially started their Christmas holidays today, and I'm very happy for them, but also a little bit jealous. One really nice thing is that the Christmas gifts for my workmates went down really well, and it made me so happy. My son did the most beautiful wrapping for me. One of the workmates is heading off on leave, so my son brought all the gifts in and did all the decorating and organizing and everything, and I barely had to do anything. But he's the one person who doesn't believe in documenting these things, so I don't even have a picture to show you, but it just felt like one of those moments where everyone is so helpful, and I'm really grateful for all of that. So today looks pretty simple. I'm excited about catching up with a friend. I will probably come home and rest. Today is a bit chilly outside. We've had a little bit of rain, which is good, but it has also made the weather a bit chilly, and that's why I'm wearing my cardigan. I did not make it. It is store-bought. And maybe I'll just have something warm to drink and lie down and knit. Some days are just like that, and honestly they are wonderful too. And so yeah, let's open the Advents. So day 17. Oh, I think I opened day 17 already. It's this yarn. It's like a peacock blue, and I talked about it already. And so day 18. Let's see. The marbled mini Advent. It's a beautiful green. Oh, I love these colors. They're so rich, but also like so attractive as well. It's not like dark and moody, it's vibrant and rich. That's what I think it is. So yeah, that is day 18. Green, all sorts of greens and fuchsia and dark pink and all of those colors. So it's day 18, and then day 19. Ooh. I love a pink, as you might be able to see from my outfit and the choice of my colors and stuff like that. So this is a beautiful, another beautiful color. So pretty. I think it's really pretty. So all the minis No, all the Advent for Mama Wooling comes with a code to use for a pattern of Amba O'Brien's Advent make along. I'm not sure what it is, but yeah, she has a code for it, and I have chosen the shawl pattern. I cannot remember the name of it, but I will put it down. And it's a very pretty pattern, and I'm going to start it at some point. Before that, I have to set up my yarn winder, and this is day 20, which is today, and day 20. It's another beautiful, I don't know why I feel like I have the silk saree vibes coming out of all these marble yarns, marble minis. So yeah, I love them. Like magenta and orange and peach, you know, black. I think that's a darker purple, or I don't know, it's beautiful. So yeah, that's pretty much for today. I will catch up a little later. See you. Thanks for being here with me so far.